Hey guys, Terrence here, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia, and 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. And today I want to talk to you guys about e-waste and why it's so important to make sure that with these devices, you guys get them in the hands of responsible recyclers. What makes a responsible recycler? Somebody that takes that device and either strips it down and repurposes it, or someone that makes sure that when it is broken down, it's broken down responsibly. Hard drives are super important. Your critical data is on that device. Making sure that the company that you pick is responsible and is bonded and insured to make sure that any of the information that they get, they responsibly recycle it. There's like I said, all your data is on it. I get that question all the time. Terrence, how do I know if my data is actually destroyed? We give a certificate of destruction on any device that our customers request. That means we make sure that your hard drive is destroyed. There is no information on that device that relates back to you. So if you're a business or if you're someone that has a lot of electronics and you just need to find the right responsible place to take those, bring them to Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia, and at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. Open 6 days a week, ready to take care of your recycling needs. I want to also touch base on, in these devices, there's mercury, there's different toxic chemicals inside of them, inside the capacitors, the power supplies, and they don't break down easily. So that's something that we pride ourselves on doing, is making sure that when we do get recycles in, we can break them down responsibly. And sometimes, and especially during COVID, we got a lot of recycled computers in. Well, Acworth Elementary reached out because they needed some computers to help their underprivileged students, and we were so excited to be a part of that and repurpose those laptops, repurpose those desktops, and get them into the hands of Cobb County citizens that just needed a little help. And that's something that we do here at Computers Plus. We so happy to be in business now for 13 years, going strong, and we want to be able to help our community find ways and solutions to make sure that they recycle their electronic devices responsibly. I do know that Goodwill and Best Buy no longer take TVs, so there was a time where Best Buy and Goodwill were some options, but I'm finding out now that Goodwill no longer takes them. Best Buy stopped taking them since the past year. So TVs have definitely dropped down in prices. So we might have that older TV that we don't need anymore because they're a lot more cheaper now. And you just got to find a place to take that, bring it to us, and we'll take care of that. There is something that's amazing happening in November 17th. We're having a cow drop with Bullard Elementary. So I'll leave a link on the website. I think there's a couple pages back, and I'll pin that if I haven't pinned that yet. It's pinned now. And so, hey, here's a chance to win a laptop or maybe a year supply of Chick-fil-A autograph baseball from the manager from the Braves, and third, fourth, fifth place is something that we are sponsoring. We're giving away laptops. So hey, here's a chance to get some tech before the Christmas, and we are having some great, awesome sales coming up for Black Friday and for Cyber Monday. We're also having the ugly sweater costume. I was going to say costume because of the Halloween costume contest. We're having an ugly sweater contest. From when does that start? When are we starting that?
I gotta look at my notation. After Thanksgiving to the 23rd of December.
After Thanksgiving till when?
The 23rd of
to the 23rd of December. So we're going to be reminding you guys in videos about our ugly sweater contest. We had a great come out for our Halloween costume contest. We had two prizes that weren't given. So we're doing another five prizes, and we had two prizes that people either they meant to show up and they didn't, and they missed it. So we gave away a MacBook Pro, a Surface, and a desktop. So we're going to have some great prizes for our ugly sweater contest, right? Kat, did I get that right?
Yeah.
It's like a tongue twister, right? Like Sally sells seashells by the seashore. right? That's or Sally Celsius or Rubber Baby
Yeah.
Buggy Bumper. Can you say that 3 times? Rubber Baby Buggy Bumper. Rubber Baby Buggy Bumper. Rubber Baby Buggy Bumper. Anyways, so hey, just some laughter, right? You guys are probably sitting there saying it's stuck in my head, Terrence, and I can't get it out of my head. Rubber Baby Buggy Bumper.
So I just copied and pasted what they listed and what
Yeah.
they posted from Bullard Elementary.
Okay, yeah, so it's on there now, so check out Bully Elementary. And I'm going to sign off here, Terrence, your computer concierge, finding you ways on how you can recycle those devices safely and responsibly. We'll see you guys soon.
So you have to